An seachtain seo táimid ag fáilim faoin mríthair aber, to speak. And the theme of our spelling is postana, jobs.
So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, and I'm sure gotcha, the present tense, and I'm sure láithreach, and the future tense, and I'm sure áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, Jesus. Red alert! Red alert!
Yes, it's an irregular verb, bríthar navrialta.
And I'm sure gotcha, the past tense. Dúirt mé, I said. Dúirt tú, you said. Dúirt sé, he said. Dúirt she said. Dúirt mar, we said. Dúirt sibh, ye said. Dúirt siad, they said. An nuirt, ní dúirt. And I'm sure láithreach. Derim, I say. Der tú, you say. Der sé, he says. Der she says. Derimid, we say. Der sibh, ye say. Der siad, they say. An nair, ní der. Der he may, I will say. Der he tú, you will say. Der he sé, he will say. Der he she will say. Der he mid, we will say. Der he sibh, ye will say. Der he siad, they will say. An nerfi, ní derfi. An múntóir, the teacher. An siopadóir, the shopkeeper. An doctor, the doctor. An príomhide, the principal. An garda, the guard. An rúni, the secretary. An taltra, the nurse. An bakar, the baker. An tinaltóir, the engineer. Structure aberta, sentence structure. So we start with the verb an bríthar, which is aber. So dúirt, der, no derfi. We have the job, the position, post, is an távere. That's the subject. And if you want to include two, you could include agus, and you can also put a time at the end to enhance your sentences. Mar hampla, dúirt an múntóir. The teacher said. Der an tinaltóir gach lá. The engineer speaks or says every day. Derfi an taltra agus an rúni. The nurse and the secretary will say. Agus tá mé déanta. We're done.